Yeah, still Saturday, October 30th. Got the new fronts on my 5203. I don't know if I said on the earlier video, these are Carlisle 7.5 by 16 8-ply tubeless. I was just tickled slapped to death to find tubeless 750 16s. There's a shortage. $125 a piece. I thought it was a hell of a deal. This is the one. I got the new rim. Went ahead and put it on the tractor. Old rim on that one I didn't take off. It's over here. I'll keep that one as a spare. This one come off of this side. That son of a gun fought me for 2.5 hours. It took me multiple attempts to get it to break the bead. Finally got it off the rim, cleaned up the rim, and like I said before, I got my own tire machine with accessories. Got this air blast tank to help set the bead. 5 attempts and I couldn't get the damn thing to set. Finally went with the ratchet strap method. We put a ratchet strap on the center rib, cinch it down, get it up against the rim, and then hit your air blast on your tire machine or your air tank. You gotta be careful. Once you set that bead, stop. Take that ratchet strap back off. You're going to have one hell of a mess. You'll probably split that strap and catch you where you don't want to be caught. And while I was up here getting these things set up for winter, some of them won't be run until next spring. Topped off all the fuel tanks with fresh diesel. Old tractor, new tractor, I don't care. Treated all of them with this Killam. Almost all the diesel you get nowadays is biodiesel. That stuff will grow diesel slime and algae like there ain't no tomorrow. This will take care of it, and it don't hurt nothing. I treat that bed tank in my pickup. It holds 100 gallon. I'll treat it with a couple ounces, and while I was treating everything else, filled up my truck tank, onboard tank, probably about 23, 24 gallon. Put in an ounce of Killam. It don't hurt nothing, and it will kill that slime, keep you from getting broke down or fighting a tractor all day. If you ever open one up and get the slime out, looks like snot. It's just a big old slime ball. It plugs up your tank outlet, your fuel filter inlet, and God help you if it gets to the injection pump. You got your filters in, it shouldn't. But that Killam, you call that preventive maintenance, and that stuff does wonders. I was up here messing around, brought all the tractors up to operating temp. Just, you know, once over. I don't think I'm going to wash them. I really don't like washing a tractor. You know, it's nice to keep them clean and pretty, but I don't like getting all the electrical connectors wet. I don't care how careful you are, you're going to get them wet. Like I said, I keep all my tractors in a shop building. None of them are out in the weather. Even my bulldozer's under a lean-to. I try to keep everything I can out of the weather. It makes it last for decades. But I'm fortunate enough to be able to do that. A lot of folks can't. So, going to relax a minute, drank a little bit of coffee, and head up to the bulldozer and treat that fuel with the Killam. I'll be using that a little bit this winter. So go ahead and treat it while I'm in the treating mood. That's about all for this one. Thank you. Oh, wait a minute. There's a close-up of these tires. There's tire soap coming out. I slathered on pretty good. Carlisle. I like that they're 8-ply. I like that they're 8-ply. I'm real pleased with that. And paint marker, mark the rims with the operating pressure and the max pressure. It saves you trying to find a pair of glasses and read what's on the tire. Just try to make life simple. Okay, impressed with this weight box. It's a box, but it seems to be pretty heavy built. Got a lot of bracing. Got some 3/8 steel on it where it needs it. Pretty decent weld jobs. And I think with this box full of iron ore, it'll give me more than enough rear counterweight for what I'm going to be doing with this loader. Heaviest thing I'll be picking up is the back end of my equipment trailer. It made that 75 horsepower grunt. Got it pretty light in the rear end. I had nothing on the back of it. I was picking it up to work on the brakes, and it made it grunt. So I think these rears will probably last a few more years. Saw some tread area weather check earlier today. It wasn't terrible, but I saw it. Sidewalls, not terrible. And a few nicks and cuts here and there. Anyway, I like my fronts. They'll outlast me. And love this one. That's all for this one. Thank you.